Hello friends, let us discuss the concept of class 10th exercise 4.4. Nature of roots means roots are real or not. It can be checked by using the concept of discriminant. What is discriminant? It is denoted by D. This is equal to B square minus 4AC. By comparing your values of A, B, C with your journal equation, in this manner you will get A, B and C. Whenever you will put and find the D, if three cases will be arises here. If D is greater than 0, means any number D is coming more than 0, then roots will be real. Second, if D is equal to 0, then roots are equal. Main is equal, real also but equal. Third one is if D is less than 0, means negative value is coming, then रूल जो हैं उसके जो रूट्स हैं वो क्या होंगे, रियल नहीं होंगे. तो जब ग्रेटर होएगा देन रूट्स आर रियल, जब इक्वल होंगे तो देन रूट्स आर इक्वल, then less than, then roots are not real. So after that you will not solve them. Now first question I will see. Find nature of roots. If real roots exist and find also, means firstly you will check D. After that you will see if it is greater than 0, then you will find the roots, otherwise you will leave. Now by comparing with journal equation, this one, A is your 2, B is your minus 3, C is your 5. You will put in D. Yes, you know negative whole square is positive. You are getting minus 31. This is less than 0. So roots are not real. So you will leave. Next question is 3x square minus 4 and root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. By comparing you will get the values of A, B, C and put in the D, then you will see this is equal to 0. So D is equal to 0. It means roots are real and equal. Now you will find this is your quadratic formula. Remember this. This is equal to minus B plus minus root D upon 2A. You know the values of B and D. Put here. D is your 0. So no need to write. I solved. You are getting. Why I am writing 2 times? Because this is a quadratic equation. So it came 2 times. And you know when D is 0, roots will be equal. So you got also 2 are equal. Next is find K if roots are equal. Now it is given कि roots are equal. You have to find K. In this manner you got कि your D is 0. Firstly you have given this equation. You will multiply it inside to find the values of A, B, C by comparing with the journal equation. Ax square, A is your K, plus bx, b means minus 2k, c is your 6. Then d is equal to 0, it is given to you because roots are equal. Then b square minus 4ac, I will put the values. In this manner you will take 4k common, k minus 6. So one thing to k will be 0, 4 to can't be 0. So it's rejected. So k is 0, second is k 6. Second, I hope you are getting. Next question is it possible to design a grove where L is twice its breadth, means length is twice its breadth and area is given 800 meters square. Find L and B. From the question you got कि this type of question is from figure rectangle because area is there, length and breadth are there. Then let I have taken breadth x, length 2x. Now you are thinking why I have taken breadth? Because length is twice its breadth. So if I know breadth, then I can write to length. So I have taken breadth x, so length will be twice of it. Area is given, length into breadth. So I put the values. Then I solved it. 2x square is equal to 800. It will become 400. This is 20 square. You are getting x is 20 and minus 20. But you know negative can never be length and breadth. If your breadth is 20, then your length will be 40. I have written the units meter because meter square in area given. Next question is, this is the last question, is this possible? If so, find their present ages, of whom the sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. Two friends, उनकी जो एज का सम है वो that is 20 years. 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. Two friends are here. Let age of one friend x, second y. Sum of these two is 20. Now it is given 4 years ago. Means firstly दोनों की एज का 4 years ago means दोनों का 4 subtract. Product of them is 20. Product of their ages is 48. 48 I kept and sum is given, that is to 20. Firstly I took the value of y from here, that is 20 minus x from first equation. Now firstly I will solve xy minus 4x minus 4y minus plus 16 is equal to 48. I put the value of y from here, and here also y's value I put 20 minus x plus 16 is equal to 48. Now you multiplied it inside. In this manner 4x will be cancelled and you are getting all the things on one side. I have taken this manner, I got this. You can factorize it, but factorization is not possible, but you can check by this quadratic formula. A is 1, b is minus 20, c is 112. I am finding d. You know कि this is coming more than, this is less than 0, so it has no real root, so it is not possible. So we can never find the ages of these two friends. I hope you are getting.